mitaratara mikinyaniru niigathikitwo ni thirikari gutigirira ati mihang'o igeranio cia kibururi ni yathie na mbere wega niguo kugitira gitio kia igeranio icio guku bururi-ini hamwe na nja wa bururi kuringana na mwandiki mukaru ministriini ya githomo berio kipsang hamwe na murunawe wa ugitiri wa thiini wa bururi makiaria thutha wa guthurima mihariria maigeranio cia Kcpe na Kpsea thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa St George's guku Nairobi.
We would want to give you assurance that we are ready for these examinations. We can tell you that all the exams that are required are in this country, and all the exams for Kpsea, the assessment for Kpsea, and the examination, the last exam for Kenya Certificate of Primary Education are all in our containers.
Mine will be first of all to echo the sentiments of my peers colleagues in terms of giving the Kenyan public the assurance that we have put a necessary infrastructure in place to be able to secure the exams.
Akiaria berio kipsang uria kumagaritio ni anyitite bia ruhonge-ini rwa githomo ni ataririe ati thirikari ni yongereire ngari makiria ma magana meri cia guteithiriria ukui wa igeranio kuona arugamiriria nene igeranio icio marigiraga igeranio icio maita meri kiroko na mathaa ma muthenya gatagati na nigetha gukinyaniria uthii ucio konteina cia kuiga igeranio 82 ni ciongereirwo.
2 days ago, the president flagged off 205 vehicles to be used by our field officers so that we can facilitate proper support that we are going to give to our teachers, both in the quality assurance and in all the support that our teachers require in the field. I would also want to assure you that we've been able to make sure that the proximity between the collection center and the schools is reduced, and that our teachers will not be traveling long distance. This year we have added an additional 82 containers so that we can make it easy for our teachers to collect the papers.
Rima domoro wa ugitiri ni eranirie ugitiri wa arutwo arugamiriria hamwe na igeranio icio guona ati maabitha a ugitiri matanyihire 60,000 ni mahetwo guigiririki ucio na makiria ndege muthemba wa helicopter ni cikahuthika kuria igeranio icio citangikinya kuhuthira ngari niguo guthemana na mathina maria mangicungirirwo ni muiyuro wa mbura ona kana uhaguku wa ugitiri na makiria niguo guthaitira mathina maya kamiti cia mwanya ni ciumbitwo icigo-ini cia kaunti hamwe na ceceni nene cia kuheana mawatho na mataro cigagathikwo guku bururi-ini.
Now that includes setting up of 2 main command centers, one at the National Examination Council and another one at the Ministry of Interior, and then we also have a support center at Communications Authority for purposes of coordination, but also being able to respond to any issues or incidences, including emergencies that might occur over the period of the examinations. We know that we are already receiving above normal rainfall in certain parts of the country, particularly in eastern and northeastern, and we have instituted measures at the county and sub-county level. We have our security committees and disaster and emergency response offices.
Niguo gukinyaniria igeranio icio gwikwo wega rũhonge rwa kwandĩka arutani gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ Kcpe nĩ mahete arutani 223,223 wĩra wa gũcirora na warũgamĩrĩria nene a ceceni cia gwĩkĩrwo igeranio icio 71,766 makaheo wĩigĩrĩrĩki naruo rũhonge rwa kũmaka igeranio icio NEC nĩ ruongereire ceceni cia kũmakĩrwo igeranio icio kuma 35 nginyagia 40.
The Commission has identified, vetted, and deployed a total of 223,223 teachers on supervisors and invigilators, and at the same time identified 71,760 center managers to be involved in management of the 2023 national examinations in all the examination centers countrywide in readiness for the administration of the 2023 national examinations.
Mikana miruru riu ni oroteirio aria othe mangigeria kurugamia mihang'o ya igeranio icio ona kana arutani aria makanyitwo na mahitia ma guthie mugaru na mitaratara iria igathikitwo makirirwo gucemania na makinya mahiu ma kiwatho.
And we are ready and willing and capable of dealing with any source of insecurity. So it's just to let anyone who imagines that they can disrupt this process, that we are ready for them and will be able to decisively deal with them.
We wish to assure the public that TSC will not hesitate to take stern disciplinary action against any teacher found to be culpable of abetting examination malpractice.
Na kuona ati thirikari riu niikinyaniire itemi riayo hari mihariiriria maigeranio cia Kcpe na cia kipsea, riu haria hatigarite ni muciari guteithiriria mwana wake gukinyaniria kiroto giake na njira ya kuhetuka igeranio icio, nao arutwo makiuria merutanirie hari gwika igeranio icio niguo mahingie kiroto kiao kia muturire. Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Chege wa Wanjohi.